Here we are, another great take two. Here we are.
Welcome to Nanda country. This is from the lower platform on this walk. You can see Kalbarri there. And the Murchison River. How beautiful. That's the Queen over there taking her photos. We say it with love. Our cherished country. The Kalbarri National Park grew out of the people's love for this land. The abundant wildlife and the great natural beauty of this area has long attracted people to Kalbarri. As the early fishers and campers stayed along and gradually built more permanent dwellings, the town site of Kalbarri was established in 1951 and the school was built. Awestruck by the rugged beauty of Kalbarri, the first teachers, Ross Graham, often explored the land with his students. And that must be Ross Graham. He and other residents, including Eric Pedrick, advocated for a national park to ensure the protection and resulting in the Kalbarri National Park being created in 1963. Wow, that was 59 years ago. Encompassing 186,000 hectares of land, 80 kilometres of gorges, the park's natural beauty stems from the combination of unique flora and fauna, stunning river gorges, coastal cliffs sculptured by millions of years of geological activity. This is just such a stunning view. I don't think this is giving it justice, to be quite honest. It's a little bit hazy out there, but it's still beautiful. This platform gives you a better view, I think. See, there's Mum. This platform's got better shade actually, so it's quite a nicer viewing platform. And now we have the coastal connections. We have got, I'd say, coastal cliffs. Then you've got the Witacarrier Creek, Red Bluff, which we'll show you on the way out, Sharks Point, which is somewhere over there, and then you've got Gray's Landing, the Kalbarri Township, and lots of history, as you can see. Lots of... wow. We were going to go to the Murchison homestead, but it's closed it's only open between the months of April and October because it's too hot. Okay, let's go back to Ed. See you, bye. This is the viewing platform. This is the most beautiful platform I've seen for a while. Stunning views. There's Murchison River, and it goes all the way up to the gorges and to Nature's Window. How lovely is that? Connection to country. The Murchison River in front of you is West Australia's second longest river and has been the lifeblood of the local Nanda Indigenous people for generations, providing water, food and shelter. This stop does have facilities. They have a really nice clean toilet block with tank water. The toilets are a long drop toilet, but they're well kept and maintained. Very, very clean. Pronouncing this right, that was the Meanarra Hill Lookout that we had a look. And you're on Nanda country. And this is a great car park, lots of facilities. No dogs are allowed, so Gibson had to stay in the car. And Ed actually had to stay in the car to keep him company. So the car's air conditioned, and this is Ed and Shazz Adventures. Follow us for more tips, trips and good times. Bye. Murchison River, the one that you could see from the lookout. And this will take you all the way to the gorges, through that way. Lots of water activities. And up that way is Kalbarri.
You know what you can catch here too? Mud crabs. Yeah, way out the back there. Put your nets in, you can get mud crabs.
Clean amenities, plenty of parking, having lunch on the foreshore of the Murchison. Ed and the Queen are having lunch over there, the Murchison River, in the inlet. Fishing on the beach, sandbar, beautiful area, lots of people having fun. It's a challenge getting the big boats to come in through the channel. There's none out there, so this is a beautiful fishing day. Beautiful fishing day on the beach.
So here we are just outside of Port Gregory. I'm going to show you the famous sign. It's starting to come on YouTube quite a lot at the present moment. Here she is. How's that? Correct way? Not the correct way. Woohoo! And we're near the Pink Lake Lookout. 600 metres. Have a look at that today. Pink Lake. Pretty quiet on this side. The other side's blowing like anything. Take two. Here we are, another great spot. Lucy's Beach. As you can see, just off the main Brand Highway, where the old ruins are, the museums and all that. There's a zoo. A bit further up, you can put your swag out there, easy. And here, a bit of a reef runs around here. You're pretty well alright to go fishing there, just off the reef at Taylor. And look at that. Some happy shots.
Ed Shazz Travels for tips, trips and adventures. Ciao.
Right, here we are on another spot on another beach around the WA coast. Have a look at this. People left stuff behind yesterday. Looks like they had a feast here. Decided to leave their bags of rubbish laying around, as you can see. Fishing chips, old bottles. Right, don't matter anyway, I'll pick it up. Right, we're on another WA coast. I'm just going to go and see if I can catch something. Yeah, just go and use a lure, and well, I gave it a bit of a shot. Bit of the too much weed around. You have a look at that. Bit of weed everywhere. You can see all the baitfish. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's tons of them in there swimming around. I'll go and see if I can put the drone up. It's starting to get a bit windy, so I might as well do it now. Get a bit of drone footage.
You have to say it, baby. And us in Texas, you wanna try, baby. I know you can, I know your heart, and you will figure out you love me now, 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 you know I gotta leave you, love me now, 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 you know I gotta leave.
Some good fishing spots at the moment. The wind's starting to die down. It's been bloody howling for the last couple of weeks, slowly dying down, and yeah, you start feeling the heat. So this is the video we've got to produce for the first one for 2023. Oh, the dog. Gibson, back. I wonder if he listens. Yeah, he did. So yeah, show you a bit about the coastal areas where you can go fishing and all this sort of stuff. Normally you can catch what here, tailor, pink snapper, and sometimes dewies. The tailor is pretty good to catch here, not today by the looks of it. It's a
It's like a foreign land, another planet. Rocky. I'd say it's limestone. Makes for a wonderful coastline. It's very pretty. Makes for spectacular photos. In this area of Lucy's, it's just really quite rocky. I don't know the formations, the name.
I know you can, I know your heart, and you will figure out you love me now, 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 you know I gotta leave you, love me now, now.
Of all the years coming up to see the Pink Lakes, I would actually have to say this is the biggest. It just goes on. Driving through the main street of Dongara. It's called Moreton Street, and these are Moreton Bay bugs. Trees. Moreton Bay fig trees. Bugs are what you eat. Yum. Want to go around the circle and do it again?
Yeah, let's do it again. Right, take two.
Take two. This is the beautiful main street of Dongara. It's Moreton Street. And these are Moreton Bay fig trees, which would be lovely sitting under eating Moreton Bay bugs.